Welcome back, students. We are given this question, example 9.7. We are expected to integrate. So what we are going to be doing is we are going to be splitting the integration as 0 to half added with half to 1. The function is 2 times x, greatest integer function, dx, positive 2 times x within the greatest integer function, dx. Now, what do you mean by the greatest integer function? As the name suggests, greatest integer. Between 0 and 1 over 2, the greatest integer is actually 0. So, this is going to be integral 0 to 1 over 2. The function can take the greatest limit, or the greatest integer it can take is going to be 0. So, I need to place that value 0 there. Plus 1 over 2 to 1 times dx. So this is the way you got to do. So just to recap, I'm rewriting integral 0 to 1, the greatest integer function of 2x times dx, as 0 to 1 over 2 of 2x dx, positive 1 over 2 to 1 of 2x dx. Now between 0 and 1 over 2, the greatest integer that we have got is 0. So place the 0 there. Between 1 over 2 and 1, the greatest integer that the function can take is 1. So place the 1 there. Simple as it. So now you integrate. So when you integrate this, you are going to be getting 0. So there's no use of even trying to integrate that. Now, integral of 1 time dx. So this is a constant, right? So when you integrate, you're going to get x there. The limits are 1 over 2 to 1. Substitute the upper limit, you get 1. Substitute the lower limit, you get half. So negative 1 over 2 will give you positive 1 over 2. So that is the solution for this question.